Hello world, hello people. A new day, new things to learn, new things to fix, and a new season. Or is it a new beginning? As I begin to a new season, I gained learnings and ended some things. I started living again here in Egypt in 2016. And since then, I found part-time work that I do here and there. I was so grateful that almost all of my employers was really kind and true. Right now, all of them have ended their contracts and I don't have work. And since we are still dealing with this pandemic, the next employers are said late to arrive and I'm still not sure if they are going to hire me for the job.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says,
It's funny, in some way, it all ended same time as the season. I have a mix of fear and hopeful. Fear as a human instinct of what I need to do to sustain my living expenses for the next couple of days or months. The fear of the need to wait or to make some actions already. Fear of new beginnings and is there a happy ending? The anxiety of how old I am and the current situation I am right now. I know this is coming and will happen before it ended, but still, I am human for these feelings and thinking. But I am still hopeful because I feel that God has a purpose. He wants me to trust His process. Everything always happens for a reason and for what He is trying to teach me in this situation. I have a month of work as a dog sitter when I was filming this content. And so, I try to think and list things I can be aware of and to keep me going.
Come on. Sit. 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 Good job. Good job.
Anxiety is the dizziness of freedom. We cannot be alive if we are not empty. If we are not empty, we became a block of matter. We cannot breathe. We cannot think. To be empty means to be alive, to breathe in and to breathe out. According to Thich Nhat Hanh, emptiness is impermanence. It is change. We should not complain about impermanence because without impermanence, nothing is possible. Mind. Our conscious mind thinks it is in control, but it isn't. Our subconscious mind doesn't think about a thing, but is always in control. Unless we tame our mind, but you will ask how, and you will say no. That is a very hard thing to do. See, on those words that comes out, you hear the subconscious mind controlling you again. If you let your mind pause, then the conscious mind will give you flow of the hows, the whys, the what, and so on. I know it is not easy and it takes years of practice, but once you feel the flow, the limiting subconscious mind will free up space and invite new awesome and fulfilling conscious ideas that we will love to have into our life.
because you don't know who you
Okay, buddy.
Patience
Oh,
is a
one by
commitment
one.
towards what you want.
Slowly.
It's like when you're in a tough situation exhausting, and difficult,
You like it?
but you focus on your goal. You tend to blind the
Like
tough
it, buddy?
part and just eye on the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. As what Seneca says, it is not because things are difficult that we do not dare, but because we do not dare, things are
Yay!
difficult. Focus. Focus on what is your goal, but don't limit yourself to one situation or topic when you know you can showcase a lot more of your capability. The moment you start to trust yourself and take small steps towards living your life, big things will start to come together.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to be.
Believe. Believing in yourself of what you can do, because if no one does, who else would believe in you but yourself? Feelings dictate our actions instead of allowing my
Juliet.
actions dictate my feelings.
Juliet!
Actions will lead to motivation, inspiration, and creativity. For some time, I said I was okay. It's okay. It's just a temporary situation. Better things will come soon. Then 2 weeks have passed, and I honestly got burned out, if that's what they call it in the internet. Or the feeling of something that I don't know what I need to do. There are nights that tears just fell randomly and I can sleep properly. During the day, I wake up still sleepy and my body is aching. I try to keep myself busy by baking, filming, or editing, but I know it was forced and my mind is out of nowhere. Slowly, I get to feel small because of the treatment I get sometimes from the person around me. I also feel sometimes that my stress eating disorder is getting back because I was eating more than I should be. It's so hard. It's so hard living abroad when you have no one to talk to, really connect, and the limited options that I only have. In these times, all I can associate is the word love. Love to fight for yourself no matter what. Love that you find in unexpected things. Love to be happy. Love to survive for. Love to be grateful for everything. Love to have a purpose. Love to be passionate about it. Love to forgive. Love to let go. Love to accept. Love to believe in God.
You didn't see me. Huh? You didn't see me? Are you gonna miss me? I'm going home. Your mom and dad is coming. Are you gonna miss me? Ay sus! Nagpa-cute. Nagpa-cute kasi alam na aalis na ako. I'm going home. I'm going home na. I'm going home. Are you gonna miss me, Juliet? Juliet? Bye, Juliet. Bye, Juliet. Bye, Juliet. You don't want? You don't want to leave me? I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you. Be good, okay? Huh? Be good. Be good. We'll see each other soon. Soon. Okay? Be good.
Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoy this content and subscribe. And I'll see you all in another one.